Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Hager number 1-269-3073 replacement rubber tip pack of 6. When you buy one, you're getting a package of 6. That's how these are sold, at least currently. And this unit is the 1-269-3073 is for the Hager 324W baseboard mounted typical residential type light duty wall bumper. And this is the replacement tip. People buy replacement tips very often for a variety of reasons. They get knocked off, they get lost, the vacuum cleaner eats them up, the cat chews on them, you remove them for whatever reason. They do fatigue and fail with time. Enough stopping. This will certainly flatten. This will eventually dry out and crack. This does seem to be a certainly a more pliable material than typical vinyl. And I'll tell you, and I don't know what this is made of, but I'll tell you that it certainly gives me more of a feeling that it's silicone rather than vinyl. It has much softer, although still. It has a durometer rating, just a density rating that would certainly be, that gives the impression that it's stiff and durable, but it's still very pliable, which means that it's more flexible, tear resistant. And if it's not made of vinyl, it will probably be much more durable in the sense of just being exposed to natural daylight. If there are photons, there's ultraviolet. You don't sense that as much in the northern climate, but in a southern climate, you can certainly get sun even on a cloudy day. There's no doubt. So this is probably a very durable item. I do have the one removed from packaging here that I'd like to take a look at, give you some dimensional properties as best I can. Overall thickness of the tip is 0.435 thick. The diameter at the face of it, not that that's so important, but that's 0.585. It's conical in shape. So let's take a diameter at the wider end. Obviously being approximate because this is flexible. 0.643. A depth of the preparation itself, 0.307 deep from the outside rim all the way down to where it stops, 0.307. It has two stepped concentric rings. The inside diameter of the smaller one, of the inner one, appears to be about 0.3, maybe 0.285. 0.285, the inner diameter of that inner ring. It's hard to see on the camera, I understand. Then the inside diameter of the larger ring, I'm going to say we're about 0.388 inside diameter. So the common question is, hey, will this work on my doorstop? I don't know. I mean, there are likely over time hundreds of variants of a baseboard mounted residential type doorstop. So the point of the dimensions is to allow you to feel reasonably comfortable that these will work. This is such a generic design. I'm really not familiar of items that simply do not work, but that just means that I'm not familiar with or aware of those incompatible items. If what you have looks reasonably like this and measures reasonably close to what you have, I'm reasonably sure it's going to work for you. Finally, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Hager products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. If you have any questions on the Hager 1-269-3073 replacement rubber tip pack of 6 or any other Hager product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.